In Dostel, everybody seems to be moving forward. There are dreams in everyone's eyes.
Follow, follow the sun, and which way the wind blows.
Everybody wants to do something, to make a mark, to leave a legacy, and to become successful in their lives. But the path to achievement is not always smooth sailing. We understand it's hard and challenging because these dreams need to find fertile ground to grow.
म चाहिँ रिवाजको पाबु क्लबबाट हामीले चाहिँ आज पाबु क्लबमा एक हप्ताको लागि शेयरिङ ह्याप्पिनेस थ्रु आर्टको थिममा बेस भन्ने चाहिँ काम गरेको थियो जसमा चाहिँ हामीले क्यानभासको युज गरेको थियो
And of course, it demands more than just textbook knowledge. It requires practicality, courage, support, collaboration, and relentless pursuit of growth.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
Sometimes learning is not easy. It demands more than just participation. It requires us to step up, break our boundaries, and to push beyond our comfort zones.
एभ्रिडे लिडरसिप यसमा चाहिँ अहिलेसम्म तपाईहरुले त्यही पपुलर मान्छेहरुको बारेमा मात्र सुन्नुभयो अब चाहिँ आफूमा कसरी लिडरसिप स्किल बिल्ड गर्न सकिन्छ त
As George Bernard Shaw once said, progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Our club activities are an exemplification of this belief.
Every time I hear another story of the poor boy lost his head.
They are one of the key ways that Dostel empowers its residential students. Through these activities, students have the opportunity to put their greater effort into practice, to push their boundaries, and to unleash their potential.
म्यानेजिङ अफ भन्नाले चाहिँ हामीभन्दा हाई लेभलको मान्छे अरूले चाहिँ लिडर्स उहाँहरूलाई चाहिँ हामीले एज अ फलोवर चाहिँ सजेसन्सहरू फिडब्याक्सहरू दिने अरू उहाँहरूसँग आफ्नो आइडियाहरू सेयर गर्ने.
Excitedly, we completed our first club activities of this year.
यसमा चाहिँ सक्सेस सुरुमा चाहिँ चार टाइगर
There were moments of doubts, late nights, chaos, and exhaustion. But with each challenge, we discovered a strength we didn't know we possessed. We pushed our boundaries, stepped out of our comfort zones, and learned something valuable.
Follow the sun, the direction of the birds, the direction of love.
From the depths of uncertainty to the heights of accomplishment, we have learned that growth is a collective effort. All club mentors, leaders, members, and participants played their part and demonstrated their determination. Day by day, session by session, we continue to improve ourselves, learning and growing together as a group. That is the essence of Dostel experience. That is the way of Dostel, and that is how we learn and how we grow in Dostel.